What are the 3 best home improvement projects you can do for return on your investment to your home? Hi, I'm Jeremy McHone with the Whissel Realty Group. I'm gonna tell you the 3 best home improvement projects you can do that are gonna have the best return on investment. The first thing is paint. Paint's cheap, it's easy, a lot of times you can do it yourself, and it can really go a long way to freshen up your home and make it look more inviting. The next one is gonna be carpet. Get rid of that old stained up carpet, put some nice fresh new carpet in. It's gonna make your home look a lot more appealing and a lot more inviting. The third thing is gonna be landscaping. If you can mow the lawn or throw some bark down, get some nice landscaping done, that's gonna make your home look a lot nicer when buyers come to tour your home. So those are the top 3 things: cheap, easy, and brings a lot of value to your home. And of course, before you do any home improvement projects, finish anything that you've already started. So if you have unfinished projects, that's priority 1. If you'd like to see the top 10 list I put together for the best home improvement projects that are gonna give you a return on your investment, give me a call or shoot me a text at 619-971-0791. Thanks.
Relax, be comfortable, do this. Good.
Was that too dancing? Don't put that in the video. I shouldn't have done that. That's gonna go in.